Welcome to the beautiful garden, where every drop of water is a blessing. Every garden flourishes with care and intention. Water is the essence of life, the gentle whisper that awakens seeds, nourishes roots, and sustains the vibrant dance of nature. Today, we embark on a journey through 10 essential steps on watering basics and irrigation methods, ensuring that every plant in your garden receives the perfect amount of hydration. A well-watered garden is a thriving garden, a testament to the balance between nature and nurture. So, let's dive in and discover how to turn simple watering into an art form that fuels life, beauty, and boundless growth. Step 1. Understand the water needs of your plants. Every plant speaks a different language when it comes to hydration. Some thrive with minimal moisture, while others crave deep, consistent watering. Observe your plants and learn their unique needs, recognizing signs of thirst such as drooping leaves, dry soil, or slow growth. Imagine each drop of water as a message of care, sent straight to the roots that anchor your garden's beauty. Overwatering can drown delicate roots, while underwatering can leave them weak. Finding the right balance is a dance between patience and attentiveness. When you truly understand your plants, watering becomes an intuitive, joyful experience. Step 2. Water deeply, not superficially. A quick sprinkle on the surface might seem like enough, but true nourishment happens beneath the soil, where roots stretch and grow. Shallow watering encourages weak roots that cling to the surface, making plants more vulnerable to drought and instability. Instead, aim to water deeply, allowing moisture to penetrate at least 6 inches below the surface, reaching the heart of the root system. Imagine deep watering as a gift of resilience, helping your plants stand strong against the elements. By soaking the soil thoroughly, you create a foundation where roots can explore, expand, and flourish. Step 3. Water early in the morning or late in the evening. Timing is everything when it comes to watering, and the gentle hours of early morning or late evening offer the perfect moment to hydrate your plants. Watering during the heat of the day leads to quick evaporation, robbing your plants of the nourishment they need. By watering when the sun is soft and the air is cool, you allow moisture to seep deeply into the soil, where it can work its magic. This also prevents fungal diseases, as leaves dry before nightfall, reducing excess moisture that can encourage unwanted growth. In the quiet moments of dawn and dusk, your garden receives its drink in harmony with nature's rhythm. Step 4. Use mulch to retain moisture. Mulch is the secret guardian of soil moisture, acting as a protective blanket that shields against evaporation and temperature extremes. A layer of organic mulch, such as wood chips, straw, or compost, locks in hydration, keeping roots cool and content even on the hottest days. Picture your garden floor covered in a comforting embrace, preserving every drop of water like a hidden treasure. Not only does mulch conserve moisture, but it also suppresses weeds, enriches soil, and adds a natural beauty to your landscape. With mulch as your ally, your garden thrives effortlessly, requiring less frequent watering. Step 5. Choose the right watering tools. The right tool can transform watering from a chore into a graceful ritual that nurtures every leaf and stem. Whether you use a watering can, garden hose, soaker hose, or drip irrigation system, selecting the right method ensures efficiency and precision. A soaker hose delivers slow, steady hydration directly to the soil, while a drip irrigation system offers controlled watering to each plant's base. A watering wand allows for a gentle, rain-like shower, perfect for delicate seedlings and blooms. By choosing the right tools, you create a seamless flow of water that nurtures your garden in the most effective and beautiful way. Step 6. Embrace the power of drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a gardener's best friend, a system that delivers water directly to the roots, drop by drop, minimizing waste and maximizing hydration. This method is perfect for both small container gardens and expansive landscapes, ensuring that each plant receives a slow, steady drink without oversaturation. Imagine a gentle rain falling only where it's needed, reducing evaporation and keeping leaves dry to prevent disease. With a well-planned drip irrigation system, your garden stays hydrated with minimal effort, freeing you to enjoy its beauty. It's a game changer in sustainable gardening, ensuring efficiency and conservation in perfect harmony. Step 7. Know when to stop watering. Overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering, suffocating roots roots and inviting rot, mold, and pests. The secret lies in observation. Check the soil's moisture level before adding more water by touching the soil a few inches down. If it feels damp, resist the urge to water, allowing the roots to breathe and seek out moisture naturally. Remember, plants grow stronger when they develop deep, independent root systems rather than relying on constant surface watering. Trust nature's wisdom, and soon you'll develop an instinct for watering only when truly necessary. Step 8. Collect and use rainwater. Rainwater is nature's purest gift, free of chemicals and rich in the nutrients plants love. Setting up a rain barrel to collect water from your roof or garden space ensures a sustainable, cost-effective watering method that benefits both your plants and the environment. Think of each raindrop as a gift from the sky, nourishing your garden with an element as ancient as life itself. By using rainwater, you reduce your reliance on municipal water sources while embracing a more harmonious relationship with nature. Let your garden dance with the rain, absorbing its nourishing touch with gratitude. Step 9. Adjust watering for different plant types. Not all plants are created equal. Some bask in the abundance of moisture, while others thrive on scarcity. Succulents and cacti need minimal watering, whereas vegetable gardens require consistent moisture for healthy growth. Pay attention to the needs of perennials, annuals, trees, and shrubs, adjusting your watering schedule accordingly. By tailoring your approach to each plant type, you create a balanced ecosystem where every green companion receives exactly what it needs. Understanding your plant's individual hydration rhythms turns watering into an art guided by patience and intuition. Step 10. Stay connected to your garden. Watering is more than just a task. It's a chance to connect deeply with your garden, observing its subtle changes and responding with care. Notice how the leaves glisten after a gentle shower, how the soil drinks in each drop, and how the air fills with the fresh scent of earth. Let this daily ritual be a reminder of the beauty that unfolds with patience and presence. A well-watered garden is not just about moisture. It's about love, attention, and the quiet joy of tending to something that grows. When you water with intention, your garden becomes a reflection of your devotion, flourishing in ways beyond imagination. Thank you for joining us at The Beautiful Garden as we explore the art of watering and irrigation, a life-giving practice that turns gardens into vibrant masterpieces. May these steps inspire you to nurture your plants with confidence, knowing that every drop of water brings forth beauty, strength, and renewal. Remember, gardening is not just about growth. It's about the joy of caring, the wonder of nature, and the quiet magic that unfolds when we tend to the world around us. Keep watering with love, embracing the journey, and watching as your garden transforms into an oasis of life. Until next time, may your garden thrive and your spirit bloom alongside it.